but I'm going to start this video on how to reset the units to default first, because when I was trying to pair these, I obviously did something wrong and the pairing would just not work, and I had no idea how to return to default. So what I'm going to do, these are paired right now, but I'm actually going to restore it to default and then pair them again, so that if it does go wrong for you guys, you know exactly how to fix it. So first, I power the unit on. Now, the next stage is the plus and minus and the Ejeas button. You push them, all three of them in at the same time and hold for about 5 seconds. And then you'll hear a message that says return to default or something similar to that.
Restore default settings.
Right, so that's just said restore to default settings. So now I'm going to power the unit off, which is the intercom button, which is the back one, and the Ejeas. Power off. Right, so that one's restored to default. I'm going to do the same with this one. Let's switch it on again. Right, so now again, I'm going to do the same thing. The Ejeas middle button and the plus and minus, I'm going to hold them down. Restore default settings, so it's done. So now I'm going to switch it off again.